Out to short. Gregorius took him a second. And
Single.
That gets Trey Turner to first. Matt Moore. That ball's well hit to right. It is see you later.
Home run.
Josh Bell just levels off and puts the Nats on top by 3.
Eugene rolls one back toward the middle. Harrison from his backside.
Single.
Line drive out to right center field. Soto can't get it over the scoreboard. Segura read it beautifully. He's already around third, heading for home, and the Phillies are on the board.
Double.
RBI double for Harper. It's a 3-1 ball game.
Look at a nice ground ball.
You're out.
Handled
Change sides.
So the Phillies the starting lineup now, and he will promptly line one out to left
Single.
center. Some guys can flat out hit whether they know they're playing or not. Soto lifting one to left. See you later.
Home run.
To the concourse, and the Nats have a pair of 3-run homers. And there's
You're
some
out.
serious paint. Oh, Josh Harrison. Yes, sir.
You're out.
Josh to Josh.
Moves the other way. Chasing away from Soto. It's going to scoop to the corner. And Hoskins will get to second base.
Double.
He's there standing. Line drive out to right field. Soto going back. It's going to be off the scoreboard. Hoskins will score. Herrera to second, the throw, and he is in there standing.
Double.
Oh my God.
To 2.
Look at that deflection. That ball might have been in center field.
You're out.
Eric
Change
takes one right
sides.
off the boot.
Backs to Bell. Popped up. Third base side to Reyes is there.
You're out.
Out to center field. Robles heading back toward the State Farm sign. He jumps. It's off the top of it. Harper can run. He's around second. The ball picked up in center field. They're going to wave him home. The throw by Soto is inside the park.
Home run.
It's a 6-3 ball game. And a high fly ball to left field. Parr is going back toward the wall. It is gone!
Home run.
Runs. One in the yard, the other one out of the yard. Check swing. Roller to third. Reyes to second for one. Over to first in time.
Double play.
Little flare to left.
Single.
Escobar sliding after
You're out. You're out.
Foul tip.
Change sides.
Ground ball to third. It's a fair ball. Torreyes behind the bag, across the diamond.
You're out.
Hoskins.
Change sides.
A 2-pitch. Up high.
Ball four.
Battle to Herrera. And
Ball four.
2. To left. Parra just enough room. 4 hours ago.
Ground ball over to third. Keyboom's got it. Flips to first. He pulled back. He pulled him way off the bag. And
Double.
Segura goes to second. Coming up to the plate.
Backdoor in the breaking ball, and Rio Muto didn't get it. Parra has it 1 out.
There you go.
And he pops him up on a slider. Trace Barrera.
You're out.
Strike 3. Game over.
That's the game.
The life of a closer. Ice water in his veins.